Do you want to know what Bitcoin really is? Before it attracted the attention of thousands of people, in October 2008, an internet user known as Satoshi Nakamoto suggested the idea of a new, independent currency. The open-source version of Bitcoin code was released 2 months later. The first block in the Bitcoin blockchain was created, and that was the rise of Bitcoin. Since then, Bitcoin has changed the way society views global finance and banking. Low for transactions, and funds can be transferred in a short period of time, regardless of the amount and the distance between both sides. There is no central authority overseeing the transactions because the Bitcoin network is decentralized, in contrast to the banks. The total possible supply is limited to 21 million Bitcoins, which will be reached in the year 2140. Bitcoins are stored in digital wallets that are accessible only to the owners of the wallets. They can easily be used to buy goods or services both digitally and physically. All trades are carried out in a peer-to-peer network based on nodes called the blockchain. The network requires computational power provided by miners, machines built specially for mining Bitcoin, to make those transactions secure and less susceptible to fraud. Each transaction is verified by miners to be approved. The identity of users might be hidden while the user follows a few simple rules. Nowadays, Bitcoin is considered a great investment. It's encrypted, simple, and convenient. Discover the life-changing opportunity of Bitcoin mining.
When you want to buy something normally, using your normal bank card, this is what happens. I give my card details to the shop asks the bank if I'm good for the money. The bank checks its records to see if I've got enough in my account. If I do, it lets the shop know. It updates its records to show the movement of money from my account to the shop's. And it takes a little cut for its trouble. Now, if you wanted to remove the bank from that system, who else would you trust to keep those records and not alter them or cheat in any way? Well, I wouldn't trust you. I wouldn't trust you. In fact, I wouldn't trust any single person, but I might trust everyone. The idea is you don't have a central record of transactions. Instead, you distribute many, many copies of this ledger around the world. Each owner of each copy records every transaction. So, to buy something using cryptocurrency, I give the shop my details. The shop asks all the bookkeepers if I'm good for the money. The bookkeepers all check their records to see if I have enough. If I do, they tell the shop, and then all update their records to show the movement of money. So there's no way that a forged transaction can make it in. If I try to alter a ledger, it won't match all of the other copies, and it gets rejected. Oh, and one of them, at random, will be given a reward of some newly created cryptocurrency. This is how cryptocurrencies work. And remember, all of these bookkeepers, all of these ledgers, they're not actually people, they're computers. Lots of computers.